Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang ke tenangFX Mapping Monday. Hari ni 2 November 2020. Kita dah masuk episod 28 bersama-sama untuk buat Mapping Monday. Dan untuk minggu ni kita akan fokus kepada goal. Okay, especially in the event of US presidential election this week, which is tomorrow. So we want to see secara technical what can we expect and how the fundamental will actually help to push the technical on the chart itself. Alright, so practically minggu ni kita ada banyak economic events, alright, from RBA rate decision, which is Royal Bank of Australia. Okay, so for those yang trade GBP AUD ataupun Euro AUD, alright. And also kita ada NFP hari Jumaat. Esok kita ada presidential election, and also kita ada Bank of England punya rate decision, which is on Thursday. So if I'm not mistaken, we'll check again after this. Alright, so okay, so macam biasa setiap hari Senin kita ada Mapping Monday, and setiap hari Rabu kita ada webinar Wednesday. So for those of you who have not subscribed to tenangFX, please subscribe and do so on our YouTube channel, and also follow our Instagram at tenang.fx. Okay, and for those of you who want to join webinar Wednesday setiap hari Rabu secara percuma, boleh join dekat link ni dekat Telegram ni. So you guys boleh join this group, and then setiap hari Selasa kita akan bagi link, Rabu kita akan bagi link, insyaAllah malam tu kita akan live bersama dekat Zoom untuk webinar percuma setiap hari Rabu. Alright, so for those of you who have not do so, please do it now, insyaAllah, and then we'll continue now. Alright, so before we continue with our chart analysis, alright, kita nak tengok so as you can see in trading economics, we can see here that this week so these are all the high impact news that I have chose here to see. So they are all the high impact economic events on this week. So like I said, we have, okay, so kita ada RBA interest rate decision, which is Royal Bank of Australia. Alright, and then we have US presidential election, which is Trump versus Biden. On Thursday kita ada GBP, which is Bank of England interest rate decision. Alright, and then Friday kita ada non-farm payroll, which is NFP. So this week is full of fundamental economic events. So how do we actually want to see on our technical? Alright, so macam mana kita nak tengok dekat technical analysis kita dengan selamat. Okay, so let's take a look, insyaAllah. Alright, so the reason why I chose gold for this week is because ramai yang minta gold nombor 1. Okay, so yang kedua ialah memang because presidential election is on the highlight sekarang ni. So kita nak tengok macam mana election of the US will affect the gold market, because whether the USD is going to get stronger or not. Alright, so let's take a look at monthly first. Okay, so macam biasa dekat tenangFX kita akan pakai color coordinated analysis. So we always analysis from top to bottom, which is from monthly. Okay, monthly kita akan pakai color purple, weekly kita pakai color merah, daily kita pakai color orange, kuning kita pakai color untuk H4, dan juga hijau kita pakai untuk H1. So every color that you can see, kalau ada bersilang, ada bercantum, ada intersect, different colors, it means that you know what time frame does that information actually came from. So first of all, I want to take a look at monthly. So we can see at monthly here now, price. Okay, so price have established on the resistance of the monthly here. Okay, so this is resistant trend line. Okay, and then practically we are in bearish. Okay, so we are in bearish. In fact, hari Jumaat hari tu, Oktober kita close dengan a very strong bearish candle. Okay, so you can see this is a strong bearish candle. So kenapa kita cakap ni very strong bearish candle is because like you can see the price actually opens here, it goes higher, tapi dia tak boleh nak continue to go higher, dia turun balik and only leaves the body sampai sini sahaja. So practically the significant price for the monthly last month was only from 1878 to 1885, which is about what, less than 100 pips. That is the significant price changes to compare from the previous month, which was from 1884 1968. That's a lot of pips. Okay, so right now you can see the price is doing retracement because hari ni ialah first day of the month untuk market buka, which is 2 November, because malam market close. So this is the first time candle ni tengah naik. Now what we can expect here is that before the presidential election, we can see that price is going to go to retrace higher. As of now, I will show you later that H4 and H1 is all showing to buy. Okay, it's all showing buy because practically we are retracing. Okay, so the price is going to retest a certain level of highs before it's going to drop, because even in technical, price needs to drop at least up to 1886 or 1788, which is this level and this level. Alright, so what we can say is that for the price to actually goes up to here and here is already imminent, because why? It's already halfway retracing downwards, which is kita nak try retest balik dekat sini dengan sini. Okay, because for months price have been climbing up. So secara monthly-nya there's a possibility that, bukan possibility, I think it's high possibility that it's almost imminent now that price wants to go lower, at least up to 1886 and also 1788. Okay, 1827, which is this is 1827. Okay, this purple line and this color merah, which is the weekly level, which is 1788. So price is going to try to retest previous low at least at 178-ish, alright, which is 1788. So we can see that weekly last week, alright, so last week price closed lower. Okay, price closed lower and have finally broke down this trend line. Okay, so this trend line is finally break. So it's finally break. Now this turquoise level is for the indication of the weekly. So at least, okay, so at least for monthly to go lower, okay, so monthly to go lower right now, for now untuk hari pertama ni dia dah naik atas sikit ni kan. So sekurang-kurangnya price boleh retest sampai sini tau, 1933 untuk monthly lah. Okay, untuk monthly price boleh retest up to here untuk monthly before dia terjun. So untuk weekly price boleh retest up to here, which is 1911. Okay, now as you can see dekat weekly, okay, price have dia dah break out dekat sini, and then kita ada engulfing bearish dekat sini. In fact, everyone, I think most of people got tricked because the previous 2 weeks price closed CRS, so everyone expect that price wants to go higher, but actually last week kita boleh tengok price actually goes lower. Alright, and then on the daily kita boleh tengok, alright, so price, this trend line have been broken down, and then this trend line pun dah pun breakout. Okay, so we are in a bearish. Okay, so major bias kita ialah bearish. So what we can expect on this week is that at least what we can see that price, kalau dia nak go higher before any effect of presidential election, so kalau dia nak go higher, dia boleh go up to here 1911 and 1941. Okay, dia boleh naik up to here sampai sini before dia terjun. So my advice is, whatever the result is, maybe before you guys entry buy or sell, try to see whether price can actually retest this level first. Okay, especially 1911 and 1941. So kalau ada fundamental push yang menggerakkan dia ni atas gila-gila, okay, kita boleh tengok, kita boleh pantau harga price action dekat daily dengan H4 untuk try cari peluang sell dekat 1941 atau 1911, depends on how the price is going. Why? Because okay, secara technical, like I said, kita ulang balik secara technical monthly, memang I cakap tadi, it's almost imminent that the price is going to go down. Itu nombor 1. Okay, and then nombor 2, before dia nak turun, dia mesti nak naik dulu. So jangan sell terus, jangan buy sekarang. It's just dangerous, especially dekat fundamental. So what we want to see is, we want the whole election punya thing ni dah settle. Okay, baru kita cari peluang sell. Okay, waktu election tu maybe dia tengah naik, lepas tu dia akan touch a certain high, lepas tu dia akan turun. Alright, but wait, let me check. Am I recording? Alright, so yeah, so like I said, technically memang secara monthly kita memang boleh turun bawah, and also secara fundamentalnya, okay, so let's break down a bit of fundamental. Right now, whatever the decision is, whether Trump or Biden will win the US presidential election, market will see both of the results as positive. Okay, it will give positive impact on the Wall Street, um, because of nombor satu, kalau Trump menang, Trump will always fight for tax corporate, sorry, the corporate tax punya corporate punya tax, which is so called to be a good injection for the economy, alright, for the corporate tax to get lesser, and then more businesses will be produced and all that. And also if Biden wins, the whole negativity on Trump's, that the majority of what people are seeing in the US about Trump's image is finally gone. Okay, so it also will boleh bagi peluang kepada open up to markets positivity. Alright, so I mean, I'm not a fundamental expert on this, okay, but you guys can check out a lot of videos online, okay, to know more about fundamental, especially not just online, not just US punya video ke apa. We have a lot of fundamental expert in Malaysia even, actually. And like for me, I follow Zul Razak from XM, okay, which is CTFC, and right, he's very good in fundamental. He's an expert, so dia ada webinar free. Okay, you guys boleh join dekat XM. It's very good input, especially if you guys are like me, which is a technical trader. So practically kita technical trader, but from time to time we need to know what the fundamental is. Like I said, I'm not fundamental punya expert, tapi I follow juga some news, I follow some fundamental to know what's up. Alright, especially bila kita masuk dalam a trading week macam minggu ni. This is a trading week where it is full of fundamental events, which is full of economic events. So like I said, even though kita technical trader, but we still need to know some about fundamentals, so that kita tak menggelabah bila masuk entry, so that kita dah tahu bila market reda, yang fundamental dah tak kacau, yang kita boleh fokus dekat kita punya technical. Alright, so that's why I said it's good to know, but you don't have to be a full fundamental trader. Alright, but it's good to know something, a little bit of fundamental, especially when you are trading in full of economic events week, especially like this week, okay, daripada US election, RBA, BOE, and also NFP. So okay, here's what I want to show you. Kita boleh tengok dekat H4. So untuk hari ni, it clearly shows that price is dia tengah bullish because dia baru retrace from here, which is last week's punya level, and then dia broke out H4 punya level, this one, and then now dia tengah cuba untuk break out this level. So kalau hari ni daily price berjaya close higher than this level, just know that we are expecting price to go higher before any touch on fundamental first. Maknanya secara technical, kalau hari ni daily boleh close higher than 1891, okay, dekat H4 kita boleh tengok price akan try cuba panjat tinggi lagi, sekurang-kurangnya maybe up to 1908 dengan 1911 lah. Alright, so kita nak tengok dekat mana before kita boleh sell. So like I said, if you guys want to trade gold, you guys boleh try cari peluang buy, but I'm not against it, but if you are still new in trading, my advice is don't. Okay, so just wait until the presidential election is done. Okay, kita tunggu price naik dulu, and then bila election dah reda, kita masuk sell. Especially you have to watch out level dekat somewhere up here, 1911, 1918, and all those levels that I have marked before. Okay, you guys boleh tengok dekat daily dengan weekly. Okay, 1941 pun boleh jadi dia nak pergi naik atas untuk retest. So kalau waktu presidential election tu dah keluar result and what not, price tengah naik atas, okay, so ready around this area. Okay, so 1941, 1918, 1911, so tanda all these levels and look for the price action. Okay, ni watch out level kita. So because, okay, for example, because this level is daily level, this level is 1941 is a daily level, so you guys boleh tengok kalau dia betul-betul panjat above 1920, 1930, somewhere around 1941, which is up here, kalau betul price naik sampai sini, you guys boleh watch out dekat H4, tengok price close kat mana untuk kita masuk sell. And kalau price sampai dekat sini, okay, kalau price sampai dekat this level 1911, tunggu daily. Okay, tengok daily close macam mana before kita nak sell ke ataupun nak buy. Alright, so you need to know how the price close and dekat react dekat level-level mana untuk tengok sama ada kita boleh masuk ke tak. Okay, so nothing much else. It's just that we have to be careful because like I said, this week is full of economic events. Alright, so if you guys want to know more about how I do my analysis and macam mana kita nak tengok price close dekat level mana, dekat time frame apa, okay, macam mana kita nak correlatekan dengan kita punya technical analysis. Alright, if you guys want to know more about our syllabus, okay, these are the syllabus that we teach. You guys can contact me through DM, okay, on Instagram, boleh tanya I kat situ. Even if you guys can ask me anything, if any trading question, insyaAllah kita akan jawab. If you guys want me to help you out in making your mapping and whatnot, just do DM me on Instagram and insyaAllah we'll get back to you and help you out. Alright, so again, I hope you guys get something from today's Mapping Monday. Okay, it's just that one thing that I want to say is that just be very careful and please take care of your risk management, okay, because this week is full of economic events. If the banks wants to hunt for your SL, they will. Okay, so be careful in putting your trading this week, and inshallah I hope you guys get a lot of pips this week, especially to find some opportunity during this full of events, and but also just be careful and always ready that you know on certain technical levels how to see and how to get into the trade supaya kita tahu yang paling selamat macam mana. Okay, so just be careful, just be very careful. Alright, so thank you so much for watching today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.